Yo, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get unlimited dice rolls and money in Monopoly Go. No jailbreaker computer needed. So let me just open up the game and show you guys what's going on in my account, and then I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let me just go over to the shop just so you guys can see. This is crazy, guys, and it actually works. This is the craziest thing. Look at that. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's get right into the video, guys. This is fully working and it is super insane. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get rich in this game. So let's get right into the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So as you can see, I got tons of money and tons of dice rolls. So what we need to do is go to this website, guys, called dicetweak.com. So let me just type it in right here. So it's dicetweak.com. And this is the website, guys, where we can get unlimited money and dice rolls. So once you're on this website, what you want to do is go ahead and choose how much money and dice rolls you want to add to your account. Now, honestly, I do not really care what you do, but personally, I like to go for the max amount. So I'm going to do that right here. And now I'm just going to enter my username and select my platform. So let me just type this in right here, as you guys can see. So I'm just going to go ahead and type it in. So it's pretty easy, as you can see, guys. Oh my gosh, so simple, bro. So anyway, now I'm going to press proceed, and then I'm going to go ahead and press generate, and we're just going to wait for this to load. So if you got a decent internet, guys, shouldn't take that long. So let's just give it a second here for this to go ahead and load. All right, so I'm just going to let it do its thing. So before we can actually get the money, we need to do a verification. So we need to download some apps and complete the instructions. These are completely for free, and they're from the official App Store. So I'm just going to go ahead and download some of these apps here. So as you can see, guys, there is a huge list of apps. And if you see a game with level requirements where it says like reach level 8, make sure you do that, guys, because if you do not do it, guys, this will not work. So I'm going to do Travel Town as the first app. It's going to take me to the App Store. I'm going to go ahead and download the app. So while this is downloading, guys, I'm going to go back onto the list of apps and download another app. You want to make sure you download at least 2 of the apps just to make sure that the process works. So the first one started downloading, guys. So now I'm going to go back on and get another one. I'm going to do TikTok. So it's going to take me to the App Store, and I'm going to go ahead and download the app. So let's just give it a second for it to redirect me here, as you guys can see. So I'm just going to give it a second, and now I'm going to go to the home screen and just wait for these to download. They're pretty small, so I'm not really expecting a long wait time. So the Travel Town is done, so I'm going to open it up, and I'm just going to do some basic interactions, like touching around, whatever. Nothing too crazy, guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and run this right here, as you can see. And I understand some of you guys have never played these before. That is totally fine, guys. You just want to go ahead and run it and just do some basic interactions, and you should be all set. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this right here, as you guys can see. So I'm just going to go ahead and run it. So let's just do that right here, as you guys can see. All right. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this. All right. So let's just do that. Pretty straightforward, guys. As you can see, nothing too difficult. So I'm just going to go ahead and run this right here, as you guys can see. So anyway, let's do TikTok now. Same deal, guys. Just got to run it and do some basic interactions. Let me just go ahead and do that, as you can see. All right. So I'm just going to go ahead and run it, just playing around. I'm not someone with any sort of skills in this game. I'm just playing through it and just doing some basic interactions, guys. So let's just go ahead and do that right here, as you can see. So I'm just going to run it. All right. So let's just do that. Pretty simple stuff, guys, as you can see. So I'm just going to run this right here. All right, just like pressing around, doing some basic interactions. So let me just go ahead and do that. So I'm just going to run this right here, as you guys can see. All right. And yeah, we're pretty much done at this point, guys. So let's go ahead and go to the home screen and see if we're rich, guys. I think if it worked, guys, so let's go ahead and do it right here. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the home screen, guys. So let's go ahead and do it right now. I'm just going to run this for a little bit longer here, as you guys can see. All right, so I'm just going to do this right here, as you can see. All right, so we're pretty much done, guys. So let's go to the home screen and run the Monopoly Go. It didn't work. Oh my gosh, it worked, guys. So be sure to try it out. See you guys in another video. Be sure to subscribe. This is super insane, guys. Oh my gosh, look at that. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share. This is super insane and it fully works. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, get the word out. This is super insane, guys, and peace out.